I swear I think the entrance is the other way. I think it's that way. Somebody told us.
We're heading the wrong direction. Always simple and clean. Never doing the extreme. Sweetheart, sweetheart. Oh, they don't let the GDs in the door. Did it? Oh, they don't. Why not? Yeah. Okay, look, Kyrie.
Come here.
Dickies. I'm getting tired of wearing this mask, alright? It's getting ridiculous, y'all. I can't breathe. I had a heat stroke. I can't be wearing. I need to get that, like, medical reasons.
Art gazing. We at a museum, y'all. Happy birthday.
Another example of the colonizer defacing us. You can clearly tell the nose was African, you know what I'm saying? Crazy. We're really trying to hide our history. Right. Y'all see this woman floor? They use geometria for sure. Definitely here for a little bonsai.
No, I need a little Chinese money plant.
The paper plant, we had a couple of these.
It's a bush.
We had one of these. It was a fail though. It died on us. We had a little baby.
It's supposed to be outside, not inside. Now we know.
Yeah, I got it for sure. This one? Yes. I'm looking for something like this, you know?
We have so many of these at home.
Yeah, but not this color, not this variation.
But I've never seen it in pink.
Right, that's fine. We got one of those.
I know we have one. Maybe I want another one.
It looks just like that too.
It looks
Exactly like that, dripping down and everything. It's actually bigger. The leaves are way bigger, and it has more yellow.
This is $30.
For this right
but
here.
These are most likely organic plants. So.
Lavender
Bouquet. I want this just to have this. Look at all the different types. Succulents. And cacti. Yeah, I think I'm becoming a cacti person. No, this is what I need. I had this before. I had one of these and it died.
I mess with this right here.
So I'm a cop. I need somewhere to put my plant because I want to grab more plants. Okay, Kevin.
Oh, Venus flytrap, but this not a Venus flytrap. I remember when I had hella of these. Died on me, man.
Damn, this shit's tall. Ours was only like this small.
Yeah, like that, yeah. But
ours only made it to,
fat.
they were really big, but they only made it to about that. But look at this one. Okay.
Y'all peep this bamboo. Never seen bamboo do this. Maybe I'm just green, but I've never seen bamboo do that before. That shit hard. This is definitely the one. We love monsteras. You know what I'm saying? So definitely another variation that we do not have. So I'm saying we have this one right here.
Yeah, that's
We
the
have
one.
two variations of this one, like this one and this one. We got another monstera, you dig? If you don't connect, you connect with it. If you connect with it, we take it. If not, we leave it.
Nah, I like it.
You like it? You want to take it?
Yeah.
I'll drop 45. I'll just take 1, 2, 3. Brewery Vavana Fest Beer Lager. Got it. Try this real quick. What is this again?
That's the guava and the pear. So I ordered that just because.
You see this one?
And this is peach and mango. You can tell I've been drinking that one. It is so strong, but it's good. It's all right. It's more champagne. It's more champagne than everything, but that's okay. That's how I like it. Oh, the mango juice. Try that.
There's a beer.
And a beer. Oh my God. Okay.
This girl really brought me to a plant spot that I could drink to. Like, this shit really lit. I feel like I got shit in the corner of my mouth. Hold on.
You don't.
Oh, the drink spilling. You got that on camera? It's cool. Look, you see how I saved that shit? Look.
You didn't save it. It spilled on you.
But it's a really good birthday. Like, a really good birthday. Like, I really got a plant and something to drink. I recently wanted to jump in the pool. And I almost let him. You know what I'm saying?
So right now I'm struggling. Do I want the ravioli with eggplant, or do I want the lasagna in it? The lasagna has meat in it.
I was drinking before I got here, and now I don't know if I even want one.
I was drinking as well.
I honestly want some angel hair. I honestly want some angel hair. Hey, don't play with her, alright? She really booked this. This spot is really lit.
Oh, Kyrie is loving that soda, bruh. All right, let me try this rosé. Kevin was saying that the rosé was good,
you usually don't like dry rosé, though.
Yeah, no. Oh, but you said it was dry?
Yeah, it was dry, but it's still smooth, though.
I like sweet wine.
Hold on.
All right.
There's black people here.
I'm gonna go ahead and try this.
Hold on. It's no knife.
Kyrie said he wants to try one too, so we're all gonna try one. There's 3 for everybody. Ooh. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. I just it needs more. Pasta sauce it doesn't have a lot of salt, you know, but we at a restaurant, so I ain't gonna judge that. But flavor wise, it's really good. It does taste like risotto.
I'm about to try.
You had risotto before? Killed them risotto balls. Killed them.
No music.
No music. You like it, Kyrie? You having fun?
Did you like the risotto balls? Did you like the rice balls?
You like the rice balls? Kyrie.
Did you like the rice balls? Did you like this?
He's sleepy, bro. When he sleep, that boy don't. Kyrie do whatever he wanna do. We just be here to make sure he don't do the wrong thing.
I just make sure he got everything he need. He do whatever he wanna do.
He just be in his own world, bro.
Hey guys, take care. I got you, friend. I've got more yummy stuff. I think this is from a man here. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Y'all, it's starting to get dark on us. I'm like, are we gonna make dinner?
I don't usually try red pasta, but I'm gonna try it anyway. But I honestly don't fuck with red pasta like that.
Not you being mad that you don't like red.
She recommended red pasta, bro. I didn't want red pasta. I wanted
Well,
an oil pasta, oil based. But it's cool though. I'm gonna give it a shot.
You got lasagna.
Not gonna hold you. This is some good red sauce.
I'm gonna try the lasagna. This is what she recommended.
Hold on, let me get from the other side.
That is super good.
Really?
Really good. Tastes like a home cooked meal. It tastes like home cooked lasagna.
Really?
So good. Yep, some Parmesan, some salt. You know me.
It's crazy because we usually don't eat these traditional meals. I feel like I ate them so much, but
Yeah.
this is the best I've had them outside.
Yeah. Hold on, I'm about to put some.
Parmesan. Yo, this girl is
It is spicy. And he know how I feel about spicy stuff.
It's not
So
that
that's
bad.
crazy.
What, the pasta?
Your pasta, yeah.
It's spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know how you feel, but you have to try it though. It's still good though, right? You can tell why I like it.
No.
You can't tell?
Cannot tell.
There you go. I can taste the basil
It's good.
and oregano.
It tastes great.
Hella strong. Hella strong
It tastes
basil.
like homemade lasagna.
Yeah, it tastes like homemade. The cheese is a little different though. I think it got ricotta, a lot of ricotta. You know what I'm saying? Toast to my birthday.
Toasting to 25 years on Earth.
On Earth, you know.
Toasting to
Beautiful family, prosperity, abundance, and all things I love and need. And hope that all my dreams turn to reality.
And they will.
Oh yeah, I love
Loaded.
apparently finding fun.
Man, show that pool, man. That pool is beautiful. Look.
Ooh. What's that, Kev?
That's that cannoli.
I want ice cream.
It's not ice cream curry.
But it's a
What's
cannoli.
this? What's this?
And I grabbed some creme brulee. It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So this like ice cream curry. You want to try it?
You want to try the curry? Yeah?
All right, go ahead, try it. Wait. You don't like it?
What is it?
You don't like it?
No.
Why?
I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Why?
I don't like it.
You don't.
More, this cream is a lot more
It's like fudge. It's like white
thicker,
chocolate.
yeah. And usually a cannoli has like, it's more like whipped cream.
It don't
texture.
suck. Kyrie just thought it was ice cream.
Yeah, he didn't like it. Try this creme brulee.
Okay.
Ooh, Kevin didn't know creme brulee was like this.
I ain't never had creme brulee before.
Oh,
Let me try it first.
might not
you know
be
what I'm saying?
traditional.
It tastes like flan. It's just the bottom is upside down.
Exactly.
I said I'm cool.